The target has been clearly amplified by the Foreign Secretary in his statement.
Yeah.
And of course, if he planned to hit the target, we hit the target. Otherwise, why would he have responded?
ANI, please.
If he had dropped bombs in the jungle, there's no need for him to respond.
No, with regard to this Balakot incident, in fact, how many terrorists have been killed? In fact, still Pakistan is on a denial.
That statement will be made by the government. No, I mean, Air Force is not in a position to clarify that how many people were inside at that. We don't count human casualties. We count what targets have we hit or not hit.
Time's up in there, please.
The bomb damage assessment that is done post a mission calculates the number of the target you've been hit or you've not been able to hit. We can't count how many people have died. That depends on how many people were there.
But report says that the bombs have been dropped a few meters away from the terrorist camp.
I don't know from where have you got this report.
We can take
Our
another.
report says otherwise. All should come into our inventory in the month of September. Yes, we have a plan for inducting new aircraft. That is why we have signed a contract for 36 Rafales. 40 LCAs we have signed a contract.